Bronco Super Celebration has officially started and day one is in the books, but today we are taking a break from the show and I'm hosting a ride at Windrock Off-Road Park, which is about an hour away from the show. This is something I have done every year, and this year I decided to host my own ride. So I decided to keep it small since it was my first time and I'm not completely familiar with the park, but we are going to have a great time and let's hit the trails. Starting the day off right with my big, huge meat stick. Gotta stay energized. We are starting the trail. It is paved in the beginning, then goes to gravel, and then I think we're getting into some intermediate trails. Pretty exciting. Most of the people here have some off-road experience, but our final destination for our lunch break, we're going to the prison. I've never been to the prison before, so I think it's going to be a good time. Let's do this. Cheers.
Now would be your time to use it.
Nice view of Broncos in my rear view mirror. Everyone's getting muddy. Is now the time that I should probably get a life insurance policy on Jim? Maybe? I'm having a great time.
This is a really nice day. It really turned out to be pretty good.
Yeah, the weather's awesome. We did get rain yesterday, so I was a little like, oh, what's that gonna do to the trails? But now we have a little bit of water for these waterfalls, which is nice. And then there's some mud puddles to play in. But overall, I'm really satisfied with the route that we've chosen. And at the end of this video, I will give you guys all the details of the trails that we took because it's great for beginners. And even for those like intermediate, like if you wanted to come and do this by yourself, it's not like too much, which I don't ever recommend going wheeling by yourself. But if you're in town on vacation, I don't see any huge problems happening.
You know, one thing I do want to say, just from being the camera guy here, your ability to talk while we're bouncing all around and doing all that kind of wild stuff is really impressive.
Oh, me?
Yeah, you.
Thanks.
We're doing the trail and I'm like, whoa, and you're like, hey, here's a bunch of information.
Or should I not?
Yeah, we're here now.
That's a good line. Come on, you've missed the big one on the right.
Woo!
Slide towards it, but you're fine.
Woo! I'm in the butt-pucker up! Woo! That was fun. That made my booty pucker. I puckered up Buttercup. One moment we're like, oh, we're so close to the mountain, I don't want to hit my mirror against it. And then the next second you're like, oh, I hope I don't fall and die. Bronco life.
Yikes.
It's fun.
You're about to make the fall. That's fine. He's good. He's fine. Yep. Okay. We're about to drop that driver. There it is. All right. Okay, it's all good. We're here now.
Made it through our first sort of obstacle of mud and incline. Whoa. And you sent it, dude.
I sent it, dude.
Good job. That was awesome. You made it. Woo!
Great. Lot of slide.
Sheesh. Well, the Raptor's doing great. I was worried it was going to be too tight of a squeeze for you.
No, you've done a great job of the trail ride. Getting
Awesome.
through it. Everything's going fine. It's doing more than I'll ever do.
We're good. We're going to need a little passenger. Don't worry about that. And then straight.
Did you send it also?
Well, I didn't. I had to go this way, and it was kind of creepy.
Yeah, it was a little creepy over that big old mountain. Jimmy, are you alive?
I did it.
Yeah, right. It's just like mountain right there.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm already on it, right?
We're here now.
Well, what should I do?
You're stuck. We're here. Yeah, you might.
That wasn't bad.
And we're going to get it real close on that passenger side. Yes, sir. Straight. We're going to come straight down. Straight down. A little bit more. Passenger. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, you're three-wheeling, baby!
We're fine.
You're gonna turn over.
Huh? You're on a rock, so you have to push over. Keep it passenger. Keep. Now, here's where we're going to start sliding or potentially sliding. All right? So keep it coming. A little bit of passenger input right there. Just forward. No, don't touch anything. Okay, slide. Not a big deal. Do a little bit more passenger. Okay, that's it. Keep coming. Oh, yeah.
All right, we made it.
That's really the hard part. It's just the mud sliding all around.
You just did that without a spotter.
We
Woo.
made it.
Yeah.
Jeez.
How's that butt feeling right now?
I'm fine.
Is it nice
I'm
and sweaty?
Boogered.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
puckered and
fine.
sweaty. After some butt puckering off-roading, we are going to take a break here at the prison and have a little snack and some drinks, and then we will see what the rest of the day holds, reconvene, and see what everybody wants to do. I have one question for all of you. Did you die?
No.
Yay!
Die.
But did you die? Almost.
A couple times.
Great job, everyone. We had lunch, we stopped by the windmills. Now we're going to our final destination, which is the overlook at Windrock, and the views do not disappoint. It's been an amazing day. Everyone is super excited with how their Broncos did. Everyone had a great experience. So if you're ever at Super Celebration next year and you want in on this ride, or a ride, I don't know if we'll do the exact same route, make sure you keep your eyes peeled, because I'll let you guys know on social media how to sign up for that ride. It's been a long day of off-roading. Everyone's had a blast, but now we're almost to the very top. Yeah. Giddy up, cowboy! That's a wrap of our off-roading day at Windrock in Tennessee. Tomorrow we're back at Super Celebration. Until next time, guys. Bye.